nutrients. A healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. There are 7 main classes of nutrients that the body needs. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. It is important that everyone consumes these 7 nutrients on a daily basis to help them build their bodies and maintain their health. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body and are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. They provide instant energy in the form of glucose, which is the main source of energy for our body and can be stored as well. We should include these carbohydrates in our food in the form of bread, potatoes, fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Proteins. Protein is an important building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. In fact, your hair and nails are comprised mostly of proteins. Our body uses it to build and repair tissues. Lentils, chickpeas, peanut, almond, spirulina are examples of plant proteins. Chicken, fish, prawn, dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese are examples for animal protein. A small amount of fat is an essential part of the healthy, balanced diet. Fat is a source of essential fatty acids which the body cannot make itself. Fat keeps our skin soft and helps the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, and E. These vitamins are fat soluble, which means they can only be absorbed with the help of fats. Avocado, cheese, dark chocolate, whole eggs are some examples of fat-rich food items. Vitamins and minerals boost the immune system, support normal growth and development, and help cells and organs to do their job. Dietary fiber is found in the indigestible part of cereals, fruits, and vegetables. A diet high in fiber keeps the digestive system healthy. Dietary fiber is found in whole grain cereal and fruits and vegetables. Water carries nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. Water allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose, and other substances. Water flushes out toxins and waste. Water helps to regulate body temperature. So, eat a healthy diet to maintain a healthy weight and happy life. Thank you.